Okay, number 18 says using the diagram find PU in terms of x. First thing I want you to notice that in terms of x means that there's going to be an x in your final answer. So be aware of that. The other thing I want you to remember is that point P is the circumcenter. What I want you to remember is that circumcenter means that it's the center from the vertex, okay? So that means the distance from the circumcenter to each vertex is equidistant. So that means I can mark these 3 segments as being congruent. And if you didn't know that or didn't remember that, lesson 38 is where you should go to look that up. It's where I went, because I didn't know circumcenter off the top of my head. Okay, so let's mark the things that we know. We know that px is equal to 8. So px is equal to 8, which means that all of these are equal to 8 because they are equidistant. If you didn't know the definition of circumcenter, you wouldn't have known that. We know that uy is equal to x. So rather quickly you can see we've got the Pythagorean theorem going on right here because this is a right triangle. So let's just set it up based on what we know. We know that we're looking for pu. So we know that pu squared plus x squared is going to equal 8 squared. Notice that we're trying to solve for pu, so we're going to get that by itself. So we have pu squared equals 64 minus x squared. I brought the x squared over here. That's what happened here. Now to get pu by itself, we merely need to take the square root of both sides. So I'm going to take the square root of this and the square root of this, which means I'm left with pu is equal to the square root of 64 minus x squared.